Making, there are certain conventions that need to be followed when framing and positioning cameras. 180-degree rule, or crossing the line, is one of the most important. Let's consider the following example. We have two characters sitting across a table by a fireside, sharing a few drinks and work-related stories. In this scenario, we place the cameras here for this shot, and we place the second camera for the reverse shots here to get this shot. In this way, we've got both characters covered. The female actress looking camera right through her looking space, and the male actor looking camera left through his looking space. In this way, we've got a clear connection between two subjects, a line that can be drawn between those two characters, and that line is known as the 180-degree line. So let's see what would happen if we were to move one of those cameras and actually cross this imaginary line. Let's position the camera here. The result? Well, the shot we originally had of the female actress from this point of view now becomes this point of view. What's wrong with that? Well, let's consider now shooting the shots from both these two cameras. Firstly from camera A, which hasn't crossed the line, and camera B, which we've moved very definitely across the line. Watch the conversation. Both characters are now looking in the same direction. Camera A is picking up the male actor looking to his camera left, and camera B is picking up the female actress also looking to her left. The two shots no longer edit. The two characters are talking to each other, but they're not looking at each other. This has the effect of creating in the audience's mind a sense of confusion. The two shots no longer create a logical narrative because we've crossed the line, we've broken the 180-degree rule. What if we move the second camera across the line? How do the shots then compare? Let's take a look. So clearly now we have the characters back in sync. They're now looking at each other, the eye lines and the looking space match. However, the key thing to remember is not to mix and match cameras from different sides of the 180-degree line, and equally not to do so during the shot. The only exception being when you show the camera moving from one side to the other in a dolly or tracking shot.